Hello, let's consider this question. That is WASSCE, School WASSCE Nigeria 2024, question 7, commerce. Let's look at the question. We are given a table. So the table shows the ages of 20 children in a household. Given x is to y, a is equal to 1 to 2. Find the A, values of x and y. B, the mean of the children. This question is on statistics. Okay, and then they've also brought ratio also here. All right. So the first question, this is the table given to us, a frequency distribution table. The age 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the frequency shows, it said the table shows ages of children. So the frequency here is showing the number of children. 5 years, 2 children. 6 years, 2x minus 1 children. 7, y plus 2 children. 8, 4, 9, 2 children. 10, y minus 1 children. Okay. So the first question demands that we find the values of x and y. Okay, so how do you find the values of x? And we're given a ratio. Given x is to y is equal to 1 to 2. At the same time, in the question, we're given that the number of children is 20. So since the frequency here represents the number, it's talking about the number, the frequency is the number of children, we can add everything and equate it to what? Equate it to 20, because the number of children is giving us 20 or 20 in the question. So we can say that 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus y plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus y minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, so this is telling us that the total frequency is 20. That's the number of children. So 2 plus 2 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 is giving us 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9, and then minus 1 will give us what? 8. Okay, so we have 8, and then we have 2x here plus 2x, and then we have y plus y, which will give us what? 2y equal to 20. So we have 8 plus 2x plus 2y equal to 20. Alright, so that we have 2x plus 2y to be equal to what? 20 minus 8. We'll bring the 8 here. Okay, so we have 2x plus 2y to be equal to 20 minus 8 will give us 12. Alright, now 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. So since it involves two variables, then it means we also need another equation. Alright, that is why the ratio was given. But let's see, 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. So we can reduce this since we may get a common factor for 2x, 2y, and then 12, which is 2. 2 can go here, 2 can go here, 2 can go here. So 2 will go here, remaining x. This divided by 2, remaining y. And 2 will go here, remaining 6. So let's call this one as what? Our equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 6. Okay. Then, let's come to the given ratio. We're given that x to y is 1 to 2. So s to y is equal to 1 to 2. So we can write the ratio as x over y to be equal to 1 over 2. Then let's cross and multiply. So that y times 1 will give us y, 2 times x will give us 2x. So we have y is equal to 2x as our second equation. So we have two equations. X plus y equal to 6, and then y is equal to 2x. So what we can do is what? To do substitution. So we can substitute y in equation 2 into equation 1, and then we solve for the value of x. So you say that substitute y equal to 2x into equation 1. So that in equation 1, we will have what? X plus, wherever we see y, we put 2x equal to 6. Because y is equal to 2x in our second equation. So wherever we see y in equation 1, we are going to substitute 2x. So we have 3x to be equal to what? 6. And x will give us, 6 over 3 will give us 2. So our x is 2. Okay, but we need to get what? Y. So how are we going to get y? To be able to get y, we can substitute s into equation what? Into equation 2. So that y will be equal to 2 times x. What is x? 2. So 2 times 2. And y will give us 4. So we have x as 2 and y as 4. So therefore we can say that x is equal to 2 and our y is equal to 4. So that is the value of x and y in the first question. Alright. So now let's go and then calculate for the mean. Okay, so let's clear everything and then we calculate for the mean. Okay, so to calculate for the mean, it means that we are going to draw this table again, substitute the value of s and the value of y so that we can calculate for our mean. So we have our age here. We are going to do the table 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we have our frequency f here. We have 5 as 2, and then the 6 as well, 2x minus 1. So what is the value of x2? So 2 times 2 will give us 4, minus 1 will give us 3. Alright, and then when we go to the 7, 7 is y plus 2. What is the value of y? 4. So 4 plus 2 will give us what? 6. And then 8 is 4. 9 is 2, and then 10 is y minus 1. What is the value of y? 4. So 4 minus 1 give us 3. So let's find our f of s. Since we know that the mean will be equal to sigma fs over sigma f. Alright, so that here we find our sigma f and then here we get our sigma fs. Okay, so let's do a common multiplication so that we can find our f of x and then we get our answer. So 5 by 2 will give us 10. 6 3 will give us 18. 7 by 6 42. 8 by 4 32. 9 by 2 18. And then 10 by 3 will give us what? 30. So let's put everything together. Our frequency. So it means that when you put all the frequency together, it is going to give us what? It is going to give us 20. That's the number of children. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 4, 15. Plus 2, 17. Plus 3, we have 20. Okay. So let's add all the fx and then we get a summation of f of x. Okay, so let me use the calculator. And then we get our f. So we have 10 plus 18 plus 42 plus 32 plus 18 plus 30. And that will give us 150. So our sigma f of s, summation of f of s is 150. Therefore, our mean will be 150 divided by 20. So our mean is 150 divided by 20. And 150 divided by 20 will give us what? 7.5. So our mean is 7.5. I know you enjoyed the lesson. See you once again. Bye-bye.